Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stir-fried mixed vegetable with cashew nut. Alright, I'm going to use whatever vegetable I can find in my fridge. Actually, I prefer my stir-fried vegetable to be a little bit colorful. You can use whatever vegetable you have to do this dish. I hope that you will follow this recipe and you will like it. Click like, subscribe and a notification bell for further videos. Thank you for following this channel. Right, before I start cooking, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I used for today's cooking. And at the end of the video, I will show you I will give you a list of the ingredients and the amount that I use. Okay, here I have wood ear. The wood ear usually comes in this way. It is dry. When it's soaked with the water, it will expand. Then we cut it into smaller pieces. Here I have champignon. Then I have leeks. I have carrots. I have cabbage, green zucchini, broccoli, and two different color of capsicum. Then I have sugar snap, and I have cashew nut. I'm gonna mix some cornstarch. I'm gonna pour in some water that is for thickening of the sauce. Right, we gotta go through the rest of the ingredients we are using today. I have some cooking oil. Then I have 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Then I have mushroom sauce. I have light soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, and some water. Now we are ready to start cooking. And here I have my Chinese stir-fried vegetable with cashew nuts. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.